weather conditions of the immediate surroundings of the school. In this lesson, you will be able to identify the different weather conditions of the immediate surroundings of the school. Okay, let's learn what weather is. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere that can be seen for a short period of time in an area. Weather report is telecast in every night. When we watch the weather report, we can get to know about the weather condition of the particular day. Generally, it says whether that day is rainy or sunny, and also weather forecast also announced to the public at the same time. Through weather forecast, we can get to know about the expected weather for next few hours. It's very useful to people. Let's listen to the weather report in page number 9. During the last 24 hours ending at 9 am today, the maximum rainfall of 200 millimeters was reported from Katunaika, while the maximum temperature of 30 degrees of Celsius was reported from Trincomalee. The minimum temperature of 12 degrees of Celsius was reported from Nuwara Eliya. There will be heavy rains in the west, south and western slope of the Central Hills during the next 24 hours due to southwestern winds. According to the weather report, you all have to answer for the given questions. Question number 1. Name the weather elements presented in the weather report. Answers are rainfall and temperature. Question number 2. Write the places where maximum and minimum temperatures have been reported. Maximum, it's Trincomalee, and minimum will be from Nuwara Eliya. Have you ever thought of the way how we get weather forecast each night in front of us? This is how it is done. There are small branches all over the country which collect the information on weather elements like rain. They get the calculation each day and send to the Department of Meteorology, and later they prepare the weather forecast for each day. So, where can we get the weather report? We can get the weather report from the Department of Meteorology. Where does it situate? It's at Bauddhaloka Mawatha, Colombo. Different weather elements cause to different weather conditions. These are the elements of weather that we should learn in this lesson: temperature, rainfall, and wind. Let's discuss about these all one by one. Weather report is telecast in every night. When we watch the weather report, we can get to know about the weather condition of the particular day. Generally, it says whether that day is rainy or sunny, and also weather forecast also announced to the public at the same time. Through weather forecast, we can get to know about the expected weather. Next element of weather is rainfall. Precipitation is another name for rainfall. Here, the water cycle is important to learn. Due to hot sun, the water which is in sea and the other waterways go up. This is called evaporation. And also the water which contains in the trees also does the same thing due to hot sun. This is called transpiration. Actually, we can't see these things to our naked eye. Then the clouds are formed due to water vapors of evaporation and transpiration. This is called condensation. Once again, through the rainfall we get water and it's stored in rivers, streams, finally in sea. Meanwhile, the snow of the top of the mountains will melt, and as water this flows to sea. Again, water in the sea goes up due to heat of the sun. This happens as a circle. That's why this process is called as water cycle. So, the rainfall is measured by units of millimeters, and the equipment we use to measure rainfall is rain gauge. Now let's learn to make a simple rain gauge in our house. You will only need a transparent cylindrical plastic bottle, a pair of scissors, and a marker, and also a sellotape piece with a strip of paper. First, you should remove 1/3 from the upper part of the bottle. Then, keep the part removed upside down as a funnel on the other part of the bottle. In this lesson, you will be able to identify the different weather conditions of the immediate surroundings of the school. Now, your rain gauge is done. Then, keep in an open space at a high level in the garden of your home and measure the rainfall in the area. Next element of weather is wind. Moving air around is called wind. If the wind blows at a very high speed, that is called storm. If the wind blows at a less speed, is called breeze. Now let's learn to make a simple rain gauge in our house. You will only need a transparent cylindrical plastic bottle, a pair of scissors, and a marker, and also a sellotape piece with a strip of paper. When we go out and observe the sky, we can see different clouds. They vary in shapes and colors too. If there are dark clouds, we can expect rain, as well as if there are no clouds, the sky will be very clear and blue in color. Now let's learn about the benefits that we can gain when we know about the weather earlier. If we can know about next day weather earlier, we can plan our work according to it. If an unexpected thing happens, damages can be minimized if we are aware about the weather on particular day. Actually, this is very much of useful to fishermen sailors, and those who go to sea, and also for the farmers even. Landscape of the immediate surroundings of the school. Under this topic, we are going to talk about some geographical features. Those geographical features can be seen in page number 18. They all are together, so we are going to divide into two topics. One is natural features, the other one is man-made features. Natural features, that means without man's interference, if some geographical features are found, they can be categorized under this topic. Examples: highlands, streams, forests, rivers, lowlands. They are naturally found in our environment. And man-made features, that means man has made these. Examples such as gardens, buildings, cultivated lands, roads, and playgrounds. Man is there in one of the corners when they are being built. The differences between the picture and sketch map. Some features in the picture are shown in three-dimensionally. You all know what three-dimensional means. That means we can see the picture within three ways: height, length, and width. Those features in the map are shown as plain figures, but when it is considered about a map, those same features, they can be seen as plain figures, children. In the picture, really we can see 3D way, but same thing cannot be seen in sketch map.